Hello everyone, welcome to the Xevole channel. Today we will make an intro for your YouTube video or any other video slide for free. We will make this intro using FlexClip. First, let's go to Chrome and search for FlexClip. Let's go to the site. Let's write the theme we want in the search box. I choose this theme. After that, we can edit the video as we want. My intro is ready. Now I will log in with my Google account to download the video. Here is my intro ready. If you liked my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.